Hi guys, welcome back to Under Pressure. Today I've got a really quick, easy and cheap recipe for you. This recipe I found in one of my mum's old cookbooks. It's called Pusujl. It's an old traditional Serbian Croatian meal. It's very cheap, very tasty and very easy to make. Alright, what we want to do quickly is boil a pot of water. Get this guy going. So once this has come up to the boil, we can throw the white beans in. Alright, we've got the water boiling now, so we're just going to add a whole packet of these white beans in there. And we'll let that boil for about 5 minutes and then we'll switch it off and let it sit for 1 hour. Drain them into a colander. We'll just let them sit there for a while and all that excess moisture will come out slowly. To our pressure cooker we will add all of our beans and we need about 2.5 litres of water. Now it's time to add the star ingredient, the pork hock. It will go in there. He only just fits. Okay, now to a little pan we'll add our oil. Okay, now we will add half of our onion and a little bit of garlic. Give this a quick stir so it doesn't get stuck to the bottom of the pan. Now we will add some of this red paprika. Now we will add the flour. Now the idea is to make a little paste with this. Get it off the heat, it's getting a bit too hot. You can see now that's formed a nice sticky paste. Now this next ingredient is really the hero and it's the base to a lot of these European dishes. Vegeta. And don't be shy, it's delicious. So I thought I'd make this just a little bit thicker. I've added a little bit more flour and just a touch of water just to get it really pasty. Okay, the beans and the pork have come up to temperature now, so I'm just going to add the bay leaves and pepper, a little bit of parsley, and the rest of our onions and garlic. And finally, we will add that paste we just created. Now it's time to place the lid on top. Now we've thrown everything in there, we'll let the pressure cooker do its thing. We'll check back in around 40 minutes and see what's happened. Should do. Alright, so our cooking time is up, 40 minutes has elapsed, and now I will depressurize the pressure cooker. Oh damn, that smells good. We'll just shred all the meat off the bones. So it's all been cooked and I've stripped all the meat off the bones. I'm not quite happy with how thick it is, so I'm just going to add a tiny little bit of flour. Stir it in and that should thicken it up nicely. Also, all the starch from the beans will mix with the stew and it will become pretty thick later on. So it's time to taste our creation. Oh, pretty damn good.